always wanted to be a nurse. It was just something since I was little that I wanted to do. Just giving back to people, you know, and helping them. Now it's helping them get in their journey of life to where they need to be, helping the families, helping each other get that person there.
I tell people all the time, they think I'm crazy. I tell them I love my job. And they're like, oh. But really looking at what UnityPoint is about and where we're going and figuring out where you fit into that.
I like everything about my job. I like the patients, they're number one, and I like all the staff, which we're a smaller hospital, so everybody knows everybody, and they're like family.
The rest of the staff has been such a huge change to some of the other places I've worked at. They're so helpful, and they seem to really enjoy their job, and that just makes, for me, coming to work every day so much more enjoyable. As you see people always with a smile on their face.
You know, patient-centered care, feeling passionate about the patients, having good relationships with your coworkers. It's made me want to stay because it's a place that I love. It's a place that I consider my second home.
I'm motivated by the energy and drive of my coworkers. They're a phenomenal group of women that I work with.
I have really good friends that I've met since I've worked at UnityPoint. Probably some of the best friends that I've ever met.
Everybody is just willing to help each other. We're all so service-oriented, and we all want to make sure that the customers are taken care of.
Everybody truly cares about each other. They care about the life outside of the hospital as well as inside of the hospital.
We're always there to help each other. They're like a second family.
In our office, you know, you be your best self. You go out there and give everything you have. Inside those walls, that we can support each other and have it be safe.
We are diverse individuals. We have different backgrounds, different culture, but we come together with one common goal.
We're on a journey together. We're not separate. We're working together. Not just me, but the whole center and all of UnityPoint has this approach that we're in this as a team. And if we don't have teamwork, we can't get the best outcomes for the patients that we're looking for.
We are constantly looking for new ways to involve other members of the healthcare team.
When things go smoothly and effortlessly, it's because of the teamwork of all involved.
That team, the bigger the team, the bigger the circle, the better for the patient. To me, that's what the point of Unity is for that circle of care.
To me, Unity means just having a oneness. We are all in this together.
Yes, Unity starts with me, and I just think that spurs you on every day. It does me to know that what I'm working on matters, and I'm affecting UnityPoint and their vision.
It just makes me feel good to go to work every day and knowing that I can make a difference in somebody's, day.
What makes me proud when I go home is knowing I helped, whether it's 2 families or 5, I helped them today. So knowing that their outcome is good and they have one less thing to deal with, one less stress to deal with, that makes me feel good.
It just warms your heart that you help somebody like that to get them where they needed to be.
I go to bed at night feeling pretty darn good about what I do. I am changing people's lives. My team is changing people's lives.
I do make a difference, and it's not just being a nurse, and it's not just making a paycheck. We actually love to come to work and love to make our babies feel better.
You're actually touching somebody's life. No matter what you're doing, whether you're stuffing envelopes, if you're folding papers, if you're stocking the mailroom.
It's kind of like that other quote that I heard, the magic begins with me. So if this is going to be a great environment where patients feel great and where employees feel great, it starts with me.
Unity begins with you.
Unity begins with you.
Ang pagkakaisa ay nag-uumpisa sa inyo.
Unity begins with you.
Einheit fängt an mit dir.
Unity begins with you.
Unidad comienza contigo.
Unity begins with you.